Hi everyone and welcome back. New recipe is up now. I am making croqueta preparada, which is a Cuban sandwich, but not a Cuban sandwich. It's a little different. The description is down below with the full recipe. But basically you're gonna take a roll, a loaf of bread, brioche, Italian, which is what I used. But I think the hoagie loaf would be better. But anyway, you're going to spread your mayonnaise. You're going to put on thin honey ham. That's what I like. And Swiss cheese for mine. You'll see that at the end. Right now I used American because that's what my son likes. Then I made Goya croquettes. I did not have time to make homemade croquettes. Being a finicky eater, Goya croquettes are not bad at all. They're very, very good. Fry them up. Put them on the sandwich. After that, you're going to layer your sandwich with dill pickles. Close it up and enjoy. Oh, I forgot. You're going to spread the garlic and butter spread over the sandwich. Then you're going to enjoy it. Till next time. Let me know if you make this recipe. Let me know if you make this sandwich. Let me know how you like it. It's really quick and easy. It's not hard at all. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for checking in. Thank you to all my new subscribers. And thank you to my continued subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a great night.
Thank you.